Meanwhile, one-day People's Convention was convened on Imali Bhakta Singharappunumet in Jiribam. During the convention, homage was accorded to the martyrs who made their ultimate sacrifice amid the ongoing turmoil. A 2-minute silence was also observed as a mark of respect to the departed souls. Speaking at the convention, President of Jiri Development Organization JDO, E. Diwan Meitei, appealed to the people of Jiribam to unite in solidarity. He emphasized that residents of Jiribam must stand as a unified force, ready to support one another whenever a fellow resident is targeted or subjected to attacks by miscreants. Numerous encounters have been conducted by Kuki militants. However, due to the non-engagement of the Meitei community residing in Jiribam, peace has been upheld, preventing escalation of the situation. He also said that the residents have lost faith in security forces, citing that the Kuki militants launched several attacks using bombs and bullets, yet the security forces failed to retaliate during these assaults. He further articulated the necessity of devising a comprehensive plan to bring an end to this turmoil through collective unity. Many CSOs, organizations and Brethren Meitei Pangal attended the convention.